Hello everybody, my name is Rodwan Khalifa and I come all the way from New York City just to take this class. And let me tell you something, the way you come in is not going to be the way you leave. When I came in, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if I was going to be able to learn everything in 3 days. Basically, I lacked confidence in what I came here for. But now, since I'm on my last day of training, I think I can conquer the world now. You know, I'm not afraid of trying new things, and the things I've learned, I think, will benefit me so much. In other words, I'm full of confidence. And that's thanks to the teachings of Dustin with the amazing Chrissy. You know, so, you know, their teaching style is so different. It's easy to learn with them. And I'm very grateful for everything I've learned. And I can't wait to get out there and show the people what I've got.